So now I want every time date should be displayed in my document. So what you will do is go to quick part and click on field, not this one. Go to field and suppose I want to add a date. So you will write here create date. Okay, select create date and I'm selecting the format, this one. This is my format which is displayed in my document all the time, right? Now save the document. Let's save the document outside with name of 93, let's say. Okay, now close it. Okay, so you will open which document? 93. So you will see it will reflect the date automatically here. If you mention the time also, suppose today I close this document, tomorrow I am going to open this document again, so automatically date will be changed in the document. Is it clear? This is the use of this field option. In this way you can add any kind of company name, any detail related to your company. Is it clear? Okay, clear or not? Third option is in the insert you have another option which is called building blocks organizer. Suppose you want to create your own design and you want to save it as a quick option. So what you will do is, for example, I'm going to create one logo for my company. Okay, let me take this. I'm taking this box. Okay, and let's say this is the color. Then I'm going to take another option. Go to insert, go to shapes, and I'm taking another option here. Let's see. Okay, let's draw it like this. Okay, done. Here I'm taking insert, text box, draw a text box. Here I'm writing Rana University. Let's say Rana University. Go outside, give the color, let's say black color I given. Okay, so this is the text box which is selected, right? Now what you want is you want to save this logo. So when I will go insert, go to quick part and click on save selection to quick part gallery. Okay, name. So for example, university logo. Okay, quick part journal category. Okay, so I will write www.ru.edu.af. Okay, building blocks, clear. Okay, now you will come. Let me add. You see it is saved. So anytime this box will be saved in that format. Anything you can create. Yes, because only box field property we selected. If you selected all, then it will, yes, text also, then it will save like one. Okay, in this way. Clear? Clear or not?